If you have rental property or an Airbnb, then I want to show you 5 questions I've asked HMRC and how the answers they gave me directly have to do with the amount of money you're paying them each year in the form of tax. Now let's get to it. Can everything in my service charge of my flat be deducted as an expense from running an Airbnb? So the property I'm running as an Airbnb is actually a flat which is a part of a larger building that has many flats. And most of you may know, if you live in the UK, if you live in a flat, that flats in a building often come with service charges. Service charges cover different things like ground rent, sewage, water supply, electricity of the common areas in the building, cleaning and stuff like that. That's why I'm asking whether I can write the proportion of the service charge as a business expense, because in theory I'm not living there, but the expenses are still rolling as I'm renting out the property. So this is my question. Hello, I rent out my flat on Airbnb whenever I'm not in town. My flat's in a building with other flats and it's a leasehold with a managing agency, and the building is collecting service charges. I have read rules online that the insurance of the building can be recorded as an expense, but here I'm asking about other expenses, for example management fees, garden cleaning fees, fire risk safety checks, etc. So the question is, can all of those be partially deducted from the gross income from the Airbnb? And this is what HMRC say. As per the previous answer, the service charges will be an allowable expense if wholly incurred for the business. However, this must be apportioned to only reflect the service charges you have solely incurred. And again, they guide us to the PIM 2010 rules, which we go to again and we try to run the test against our service charges. So here personally, when I did my self-assessment tax, I recorded some of the expenses proportionally with accordance with the occupancy rate, and I did the dual purpose expenditure because I am a live-in landlord, and whenever I'm not at home I'm trying to treat it as a business, an Airbnb rental property. Again, I'm not recording the entire insurance cost as an expense, nor the ground rent or the fire risk and assessment tests. And that's pretty much for the service charges. I hope this helps. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so don't miss out on any other helpful videos. Good luck with your rental property, and I'll see you again in another video. Goodbye.